The evolution of note-taking.
And note-taking has come a long way, from handwritten journals and physical notebooks to digital apps and cloud storage. Each technological leap has made it easier to capture, organize, and share information. Today, we stand on the brink of another major transformation, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and voice recognition technologies.
Artificial intelligence smarter notes.
Artificial intelligence is changing the landscape of note-taking by making it more intelligent and efficient. AI can summarize meetings, transcribe speech in real time, and extract key points from lengthy documents. These features help users stay organized, save time, and ensure nothing important is missed, making notes more actionable than ever before.
Voice input. Speak, don't type.
Voice input is rapidly gaining popularity as a hands-free way to take notes. With improved speech recognition, users can simply speak their thoughts, and advanced software will transcribe, format, and even categorize the information. This technology is particularly valuable in situations where typing or writing isn't practical, such as during lectures or while multitasking.
Seamless organization and retrieval.
Emerging note-taking tools use machine learning to organize and retrieve information more efficiently. Advanced search features, intelligent tags, and context-aware suggestions help users find exactly what they need in seconds. These systems learn from user habits to provide personalized recommendations, making notes easier to manage and review.
Looking ahead, the connected note-taking ecosystem.
The future promises a fully integrated ecosystem of note-taking where apps communicate with calendars, emails, and project management tools. AI will anticipate user needs, suggest relevant notes, and even automate follow-up actions. As these technologies mature, note-taking will become a seamlessly connected part of daily life, supporting productivity and creativity in new ways.